Hey, it's your boy Taylor Grant with Bellator Claims Resolution. I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Okay, so today's comes to us from Dane of Greeley, Colorado. It is going on 6 months now. The insurance company is dragging their feet. In this time, our property has started to get black mold. Adjuster called a couple days ago and said, Dane, if you want just your roof replaced, I can get that approved today. Will that work for you? I replied, I want everything our policy covers, especially getting our property completely fixed for the deductible. The adjuster says, well, I guess we'll just have to see what happens then. I think this is unethical and only one of the multiple ethics violations. We had lots of other damages to our land and property. I'm asking for help and if any other families have had the same issues. Trust me when I say other families and other people have had the same issues because these insurance companies are willing to pay a certain amount or diminish your claim, okay? The 4 Ds. We'll talk about these some other time in depth, but the 4 Ds are delay, deny, defend, diminish. So they delay claims. They make you wait for it. 6 months now, right? Delay claims. They deny claims outright that are legitimate. I can't tell you how many times I get on a property and I'm like, did the adjuster even get on this roof? Because the evidence from the hail damage is so obvious that how could they miss that, right? So delay, deny, defend. They force you as the consumer, the property owner, the policyholder to sue the insurance carrier, defend your rights in court against the carrier that should be paying these claims. Delay, deny, defend, or diminish, okay? They diminish the amount of the claim. Just like this adjuster asked, well, hey, if you only want your roof taken care of, I can get that approved for you today. But guess what? If you want anything else taken care of that's in your policy, I don't know if I can do that. We'll just have to see what happens. It's total BS. And when you're being treated like this, you absolutely need help. Contact us today, bellatorclaims.com. We can help you fight these unscrupulous insurance companies that aren't paying your legitimate property insurance claim. Contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.